Good morning.
Yes.
But if one the petition prayer for listing your honor, yes, for orders, your honor, not listed for
You approach the registry.
last 6 months. Your Honor.
For listing, you approach the registry.
Listing.
You please mention only adjournment and any urgent motion, if any. Yes.
Okay.
Next.
I pay for listing to WBC for Woodward tomorrow.
Okay.
Signature.
Yeah, please. I beg to mention item number 6 and 7.
Yes.
I'm for a petition.
So here we need some time to file our affidavit.
I'm for a,
You're for the petitioner.
yes, sir.
Why do you want time?
To file our affidavit, ma'am.
You are appearing for
For elementary education department.
even the alleged contemner also.
Well, in the contempt case, no notice, it not issue till that.
Not yet issued.
No.
Yes.
Then
Then in the main case, they have to file affidavit. The main case.
that's why he wants some time.
No, I'm not seeing time, but they-
Not you. He is seeking time.
In item number 6, in 7, madam.
6 is seeking time. 7, there's no order as such, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But they are clubbed together.
Yes, sir.
So what to do? We'll adjourn it.
My lord. There no.
On the prayer of Mr. P.K. Bora,
My lord.
SC Elementary, further 2 weeks time is granted
My lord.
for filing counter affidavit. List again after 2 weeks.
So there is an interim order in the IL, that may be part of it.
In the IA,
Yes, sir.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged.
Oh, bless, ma'am.
May I please, your lordship? I would like to mention this matter for listing. There was an order earlier, list the matter after immediate after
You
vacation.
take it up with the registry.
Okay.
Don't make me repeat again and again. I've indicated already. If it is and all that, you mentioned before the registry, you approach them.
Okay.
Yes.
Should request for adjourn the matter, item number 8,
Item 8. Yes.
fix the matter at 23rd.
Why do you want adjournment?
Actually, opposite party, that means.
I'm releasing from Part Hut. This cannot go on and on like that.
Part.
3-4 times you've adjourned it as Part Hut.
Actually, lordship, we have discussed with the,
You may have discussed. I'm not willing to adjourn it like that. If you adjourn it, I'll release it from Part Hut. Doesn't look good, you see, Part Hut for 2-3 months like that. I'll release it. Like you want to take up the matter with some other bench.
standing councils
Huh?
have some problem, that's why actually. No, so my senior is contact.
No, we do not have, we are ready with the case. Huh?
Okay, lordship, then kindly fix the matter per second hour.
Second half, there is some.
You're for which party?
Petitioner,
Petitioner. I'm releasing it from Part Hut and we'll fix it anytime you want. A mention has been made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the matter may be adjourned and be listed. When?
23rd.
On 23rd October 2025. Stop. It is however noticed that adjournment has been sought in earlier occasion also, and the matter has been kept Part Hut for some time. Stop considering the prayer made. This court consider the prayer made, the matter is released from Part Hut. Let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
Weeks, lordship,
All right.
deeply obliged.
Lordship.
Withdraw
Yes,
with liberty or not?
liberty.
With liberty. What is the reason?
No, lordship, no liberty. Because private respondent already retired. in this case. So
Your good name? Your name?
S. Ahmed.
Mr. S. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition. In view of above, writ petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Right.
Maybe.
Yes.
Lordship, where the area salary of the petitioner, while he was in service from 2012 to 19, he could not allow to draw his salary, Lordship. And he got retired. Until that, his salary of that period was not paid to him. Although there is some communication
Retired as what?
from LP school teacher,
LP school teacher.
yeah, primary teacher.
When?
Lordship on 31/1/2019. 31/1/2019. Lordship, kindly come to page 36. This is the letter from the BO, which was addressed to the district elementary education officer. Page 36 and a sub 3. Submission of requirement of fund of area monthly salary of Abdul Safid Mia, head teacher of so and so LP school. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to submit here with the requirement of fund for the area monthly salary of Abdul Safid Mia, head teacher so and so under South Somar Mankasar Pulap with effect from 1/5/2012 to 28/2/2019 and amount of rupees so and so only under the head of account so and so. In this regard, necessary particulars are enclosed herewith for favor of your kind information and necessary. Then, Lordship, page 37, Lordship. Then DO issued the letter addressed to the district director of elementary education, Lordship, regarding submission of area proposal in respect of so and so. Reference BO so and so. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to submit herewith the area proposal in respect of Abdul Safid Mia so and so with effect from 1/5/2012 to 28/2019 and received from BO South Salmara. But Lordship, till date, they did not release.
Amount is fixed, 25 lakhs.
Yes, Lordship. It was there.
And the period is from 2012 to 2019.
19.
What according to you is the reason why this area salary is not given to you?
Lordship,
Something wrong with your appointment?
no.
Then
Lordship.
something wrong with your provincialization?
No, in that, no.
Departmental
Because
proceeding drawn?
One fact is that
Ah,
one building was sanctioned in that school, school building. And petitioner, he used to construct the building as a head teacher. And there is some anomalies in utilizing the fund.
anomalies in the fund.
That
Yes.
is why, Lordship, he could not draw. He was not allowed to draw his salary. His pay was held
So
off.
there is some reason behind.
But there is no specific order that why his pay was held off. In the-
Any proceeding drawn?
No, Lordship, no. There is no
There
proceeding
is
drawn.
no inquiry, madam. Inquiry is
You
there.
retired on 31/1/2019
19. Lordship.
as LP school teacher.
Yes, he rendered that period. He rendered
Your
it to the-
headmaster?
Yes, he rendered.
Headmaster?
Yes, exactly.
Headmaster?
Yes,
Teacher or headmaster?
headmaster.
Headmaster. So some building construction was done.
Yes,
So there was some irregularity of the fund,
yes.
and for which reason you were not allowed to
Draw.
draw your salary.
It's a instruction, verbal instruction.
But there is no specific order.
Yes,
But there's no specific order.
yes.
No proceeding was drawn against you.
Ex-
Then you have received your pension,
Yes, I am getting pension.
regular pension,
Regular.
only the area salary.
Yes,
Okay. Have you filed an affidavit?
No, madam, here there was an inquiry conducted, madam.
No. Have you filed an affidavit?
No, madam.
Why?
Because, madam, as per the inquiry, madam, some documents are required from the district authority, madam. Madam, we have provided that, madam, kindly see, madam,
No, don't give me papers.
madam,
I'm not interested in papers like that.
some documents are required from the district.
So
That,
So you file an affidavit saying that this is the problem, but we may be allowed to file a consolidated affidavit later on, once we get the documents. That you should have done.
Lordship, one thing, Lordship, before Lordship.
See, don't submit in piecemeal. Just a minute. I'm talking to him.
Yes.
See, this is the thing. Now, person retired as headmaster, LP school teacher, salary not given, area salary. Then according to him, unofficially thinks that there's something wrong with the fund, construction and all that, and for which he was not allowed to draw. But he retired and is getting pension. Question would be why he was not allowed to draw the thing. If there was some irregularity, you should have proceeded drawing departmental proceeding and all that. That you have not done. Can you withhold the salary just like that without any proceeding? So this is the thing, basic thing.
Yes.
And there may be hundreds of reasons, but unless you draw a proceeding,
Yes.
simply saying that you will not get salary, cannot be the reason. So that is your part. And in your part also, what did you do before retirement?
Lordship, before.
When did you file this writ petition? After retirement.
Yes, Lordship, we.
Your
approach-
salary
Yes.
was stopped from 2012.
Yes.
After 2012, what did you do?
Lordship, we.
You
approach-
kept on working, then you retired 2019. Then after 2023, after about 4 years, then you filed writ petition.
Yes.
So you also accept that there is something wrong.
he,
Otherwise, immediately you would have come.
It's apparently, but.
You also acknowledge that
yes,
something is wrong,
Getting hope,
hoping that they
get
will give me
together.
salary, let me wait.
get together. Lordship.
So this is the problem, you
he
see.
admit his part, my lord. The
So now you want the court to decide. How can we decide the matter? Firstly, they're not filing counter affidavit. And you are also not being vigilant enough.
Lordship, there are several orders passed in this case.
Huh?
Lordship, several orders were passed in this case.
Several orders.
Yes, Lordship, regarding.
What kind of orders?
Lordship, regarding their inquiry, Lordship, they conducted 2 times inquiry, Lordship, in this case, regarding the reason for why the salary was not released.
Ah.
There is some order, Lordship.
Now you're saying inquiry. You said there was no inquiry.
No, Lordship, they conducted after filing the writ
Writ
petition.
petition.
Yes, Lordship,
Okay.
as per the order, they, Lordship, the
Hmm.
district director of elementary education, they conducted inquiry with all stakeholders.
Hmm. Did you participate?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. In that also, the petitioner admitted that there is some anomalies. Exactly,
Hmm.
Lordship.
Hmm.
So, Lordship, if there is any amount left with the petitioner, that may be deducted and the.
No, unless we have the report, how do we say that you deduct? How much to deduct? 5 rupees or 1 lakh or 5 lakh? We don't know.
No, Lordship, in the report.
Report has to be there.
Yes.
My lord, yes. That is, my lord, that has to be provided by the district authority.
Then
That has
Lordship,
not been
yes,
provided
Lordship,
till now.
exactly,
The only thing
Lordship.
is that, my lord, if
District authority.
my lord, we-
Who is the district
the
authority?
district elementary education officer, we need it from the district elementary.
Who is asking for that?
Director, my lord.
Director is
That's
asking.
Asking, my lord,
And district elementary is not cooperating.
my lord.
He is your officer.
Yeah, true, my lord.
If you cannot control your officer, then what will happen?
But some 1 week time may be granted, my lord, we will file an.
Director will have overall responsibility
That is
for all
true.
his subordinates also.
Yes.
But proposal is to come from the district authority, my lord, regarding area salary. One more thing is that he has admitted that, my lord, some anomalies is there during the construction, my lord. He agreed to deduct his, my lord, amount, which he have misappropriated.
So let that it be in writing in your affidavit
Well, I'll.
so that maybe some amount he is agreeable to deduct, some amount he may be getting.
Yes,
We
yes,
don't know.
Yes.
But at least indicate that by way of an affidavit.
Two weeks, my lord, I will file our activity.
Stop, please write on 14/8/25. Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education, sought time to file affidavit. But the same has not been filed till date. Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Elementary, submits that he may be given further 2 weeks' time. Since some documents are awaited from the District Elementary Education Officer, Dhubri. Bracket respondent number 4. Considering the submission, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. List
Lordship,
again
can you
after
fix
2
a
weeks.
date, Lordship, because
List
that-
again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. The respondents should ensure that affidavit is filed by the next date so that the matter can be disposed of.
Obliged.
May it be pleases your lordship, on behalf of B. Kaushik, your lordship,
for the petitioner.
petitioner in person, your lordship.
I'm in
lordship.
person, Lordship.
No, both of you don't speak together.
Oh.
Who will speak first?
I'm in person, Lordship, the petitioner.
We know in person. Let us speak. She has started first.
Lordship, on behalf of B. Kaushik, your lordship, I'm paying your lordship, kindly matter may posted on Friday, your lordship.
B.
because-
Kaushik, what happened to him?
Because your lordship, there is medical emergency, your lordship, on the, yesterday itself, your lordship, he is not available in the court, your lordship, and we are praying on behalf of him yesterday also, your lordship. So due to some medical emergency, and I know that, or your lordship, petitioner part may be done today, and we will submit.
No, I'm not
Right.
agreeable.
May I? Lordship?
Petitioner will
No,
play his
Lordship,
part.
Just one.
Just a minute.
Yes,
I'll allow you to speak. Just a minute.
Obliged, Lordship.
Petitioner will complete her part, then he will complete her part next week like that. And court will
Friday,
forget
your
what has happened.
Friday, your
So
lordship.
it is better that both parties submit on one day.
Friday.
See, this is what item 2, isn't it? Yes, madam, they are expressing some difficulty.
Yes, I bow down, Lordship, if I have just some interruptions. Here, Lordship, in my petition, as I'm appearing in person, I come all the way from Calcutta just to appear in before Lordship. Now, Lordship, my learned friend has appeared many a times for this petition, especially for the affidavit in opposition, supplementary affidavit, all these parts. Only on the last 2 occasions, my learned friend Kaushik has appeared. And there, if we go to the orders, Lordship, 16 orders are there for this, only for this pension matter, Lordship. And on the last 2 occasions, there has not taken much of it, Lordship, only adjournment, Lordship. If Lordship goes to the orders, she is quite competent, Lordship, to appear in this matter, Lordship, for the secondary education. And there are 10 respondents over here, Lordship. And if Lordship permits me, I'll just give my submission over here. Lordship can well understand that it is not that much required.
No. I've already indicated, see,
Yes, Lordship.
This matter,
hope
Lordship,
the
admission.
preferably both parties should submit on same day because today one submits and some after a few days somebody else submits. And in between, so many other cases are dealt with the court. So we forget what is what.
Obliged,
And
Lordship.
the ends of justice will not be served.
Yes, obliged, Lordship, but she is the one who has appeared many a times and she has filed or she has argued, she was present in the hearing, admission hearing, and she has filed the affidavit in opposition, supplementary opposition, everything, Lordship. So this is the reason she is quite competent. My learned friend is quite competent, what I believe, Lordship.
There is a direction also, your lordship, we have to public your lordship. So your lordship, Friday,
Lo-
your lordship, we post your lordship.
Friday may not be possible. We'll fix a date. Madam, you come from Calcutta. I know.
Lordship.
I know you have to face a lot of difficulty coming out
Yes,
station.
Lordship, because all the way I come,
But unfortunately, Mr. B. Kaushik, if he's appearing, yesterday also it was mentioned in the second half that he has some medical emergency. So
I'm
he had
quite
to leave.
sympathetic with him, Lordship.
So you kindly bear with the thing and we'll fix a date. And I'll make an observation that if Mr. B. Kaushik is not present that day, somebody else should definitely be present on behalf of the department and make this submission.
Obliged,
All
Lordship.
right,
Yes.
so that you're not put to further trouble.
Yes, obliged, Lordship, highly obliged. Only thing is that, Lordship, in between, some situation has cropped up. From the AG, I mean, from the Director of Pension, one letter has come to me. And if Lordship permits, may I submit the letter over here? Lordship?
No. You may submit an additional affidavit if you want to,
Obliged, Lordship.
and annex the document there
Yes,
and just explain what is the document about,
yes. Only thing is that what they have said,
if it's relevant.
yes, fine. Lordship.
If it is not relevant, no need to bother.
It's very much relevant.
Okay,
Lordship.
then you file an additional affidavit. If there's some developments, then this
Yes.
is what has happened, this is what I was told,
Yes,
and this is the document.
yes.
So
On the
we'll see.
May I, Lordship? On the development, Lordship, what they have said,
Hmm.
they have given the instruction to the secondary education and to the inspector of school,
Hmm.
and who is the higher authority of
Hmm.
me, where I have to be give my all the grievances.
Hmm.
That is the school first to the principal, then to the school
Hmm.
inspector. What they have mentioned over there, that we have done our part.
Hmm.
But this part has been done in the year 2020, and I am getting my provisional pension on the basis of Lordship. If Lordship sees, kindly Lordship comes to the order of provisional pension on the basis of the notification of the state government, which has been clearly mentioned, Lordship. If Lordship comes to the page 32 of the writ petition,
No, we're not opening up the argument now.
Of that.
See, since
that-
Ms. P. Das says that she's not appearing in the thing.
yes, Lordship.
When would it be convenient for you? Come.
On the, because our court will open in the 28th of October. So on 3rd of November, Lordship, again, I'll come.
Monday.
Yes,
3rd November, Monday.
See, we have a hearing day on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
like in that case. Lordship,
So it'll be better on those either Tuesday or Thursday.
but again, there is a holiday for Guru Nanak Day, Lordship. I believe on either on 5th or,
5th is holiday.
yes,
Yes.
Lordship.
So, no, we're not fixing on 5th. You can have it on 4th or 6th, whichever date you want.
Yes, Lordship, any day, Lordship, either 4th or 6th,
You tell me, when do you want it?
on 4th of November.
4th, Tuesday.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. P. Das, you take note.
Yes, sir.
If Mr. B. Kaushik is unavailable that day, somebody should take over. We're not adjourning the matter anymore. All right.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
The petitioner in person is present. But however, Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, is presenting the respondent's consent. Is said to have is said to have some personal difficulty on medical grounds, and therefore is not available today. Stop considering the issue involved in the matter, and the submissions being made by the learned petitioner in person, the petition in person. Let the matter be listed on 4th of November 2025 for admission hearing. Full stop. It is also made clear that if Mr. B. Kaushik has some personal difficulty to appear before the court on that day, an alternative arrangement should be made so that the matter can be taken up for final disposal.
Yes, Lordship.
Liberty is also granted to the petitioner in person to file an additional affidavit to incorporate the developments in the matter, if so advised.
Here, the elementary education department, they are required to file affidavit. Last 10 occasions, they have not filed.
Matter is under process, so some time will be allowed.
Don't give me that paper. Why are you giving me that paper? What is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Joint Secretary.
That letter is meant for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Department has sent letter to the court.
Okay. Already a fresh proposal was sent.
Head teacher of the school, he approached my lord, during the pendency, the amount was sanctioned. And what this is the other teacher of the same school, who is before you, lordship. Yeah, lordship's order of 23-5, my lord.
Payment of various salary.
Lordship may kindly produce that order of 23-5, 2025. And lordship has recorded that one. Very simple issue, my lord. From 1/1/2013 to 29/2/2016, because I'm getting my current salary. my lord.
Why, what is your instruction?
My lord, Joint Secretary wrote a letter to the District Elementary Education Officer to submit a fresh proposal in respect of Surojit Sinha, my lord.
Proposal is not given.
So releasing of.
Proposal in respect of area salary.
Yes.
Till now not yet submitted. You said fresh proposal.
Yes,
Earlier also proposal was there.
submitted,
Then why fresh proposal required?
my lord, only because of non-well certificate was not issued,
Hmm?
so
None?
It was just a-
non-well certificate. my lord.
Non-drawal certificate.
So,
Don't give me the bits.
so some amend the allowed, because matter is under process.
You do whatever you have to do. We'll fix a time frame for you to finish your business. How much time should be sufficient according to you? We are disposing the matter
So one.
within 1 month. Heard Mr. M.R. Adhikari, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss N. Fukan, learned standing counsel. Elementary. For the respondent's consent.
My lord, the 90 days. Madam will be taken, ma'am.
On 23/5/2025, court passed the following order. Please abstract the order, okay? 23/5/2025. There's a red flag. Next para, today. Learned Standing Council submits that who has given the thing?
Joint Secretary, ma'am.
Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Education Department.
District Elementary. Yes, my lord, Education Department.
Huh? Who has written to whom?
Joint Act,
The Joint Director,
yes, ma'am.
Elementary Education, has written to the
District
District Elementary Education Officer of which place?
Kahilipara.
Kahili Para, to submit a fresh proposal regarding the area salary.
It will be
To Sri Bhumi, ma'am.
Sribhumi, madam. Previously Karimganj, it is Sribhumi now.
Which one? District,
Sribhumi, yes, DO.
District Elementary
Yes,
Sribhumi,
Officer, Sri Bhumi.
yes. Previously, it was Karimganj.
Sri Bhumi. What did I say? Earlier? Kahili Para. Okay, cancel that. It is Sri Bhumi. To submit a fresh proposal regarding the area salary. Of the learned council, standing council submits that some more time may be granted to obtain concrete instructions. To stop. It is however seen that this court had already granted enough time to the respondent authorities to do the needful. And therefore, court is not inclined to grant any further time. To stop. The writ petition is therefore disposed of with a direction to the respondents to do the needful, including to
2 months.
to work out the area salaries. Payable to the petitioner. Are you still in service or retired?
Yes, yes, in service.
You're still in service.
Yes.
And pay the same to the petitioner. as expeditiously as possible. And at any rate, within the outer limit of 2 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Close.
Apply.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in this case, pleadings are complete. May I pray for admission hearing, Lordship, next week, Lordship?
That
Yep.
was the same submission made on 27/8/2025.
Lordship,
Pleadings are complete.
no,
List the matter
today,
and so and so.
actually unable to prepare, Lordship, that's why.
Say that.
Next week, Lordship, I will come prepare. Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petition submits that he may be granted some more time to prepare the matter. Full stop. Miss
H. Terangpi, Your Lordship, for 1, 2, and 3.
H
Terangpi.
Terangpi, learned counsel for respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. And Miss K. Fukan for respondent number 4 has no objection. In the above, list the matter. Again, after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
On bless.
Mr. Gogoi, who is your friend that side? No one.
Mr. Das, today I have not seen him.
Das.
Yeah.
Which Das?
He does.
PK Das.
PK Das. Last, continuously he is program, he is coming, he is coming.
Records was also required.
Records not, we have not the records.
Why?
In this case, sir.
Records was directed.
Records, records in respect of lawsuit that he have appointment, whether there is a advertisement or not, that part we will not.
See, there's an order. I see that some records is required.
On
Yes, my lord. The petitioners were appointed under regulation 3.
29/9/23,
Yes,
6/2/2024, 5/3/2024. It speaks about records.
yes.
Again, 12/12/24 also.
lawsuit, may kindly please pass the. In 2023,
should
there
not-
was a order also.
Sorry,
On 2023, there was a order also. I forgot the date also.
order for what?
There is a order for producing the record also.
Yes.
That's what I'm just reading out. There are 3-4 orders.
My lord, may kindly peruse the whole order of the 2023, which was passed by the Honorable Mr. Justice M. Buzar Boral.
See, the last order is regarding records is 6/5/25.
Now, that is there, lord.
On the request made by S. Bhuyan, Learned Standing Counsel higher, 2 weeks' time is allowed to enable him to produce the records.
may kindly peruse the 2023 order, which was passed by my lord Justice M. Buzar Boral.
Yes, what is there?
That, my lord, may kindly peruse whole order, lord.
No, what is there regarding?
Lord, lord. So, mobile application order, no?
It says, but however, I'll read it for you.
Lord.
No information has been produced by Mr. P.K. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as to in what manner
Lord.
petitioners were selected and appointed, enabling the court to direct production of records of such procedure. This is one part.
That is one.
But however, respondents to produce the records pertaining to the appointment of the petitioners by the appointment letters dated so and so in respect of petition number 1. 6/7/92 in respect of petition number 2. And 9/6/1992 in respect of petition number 4. And 16/10/1995 in respect of petition number 5. So that is it.
That record is not available. It's a TF appointment. There is no dispute. It's a TF appointment also.
No, either you say there's no records or you say that you want to produce records. Which one?
There's no record.
There's no records.
We have not received any written instruction, otherwise there is no record.
No, have you inquired from the authorities
Lordship, we have inquired, we have even written letter to the authority.
for records?
Lordship.
They have not given you.
My lord,
So we have to proceed, proceed without records.
my lord,
Lordship may proceed.
but,
Lordship may proceed.
my lord, one thing I can pray.
Hmm.
What my learned friend is saying, kindly that may be placed on record. Because what the authority is saying, the court definitely wants to know it. Whether the record is, authority is saying that or something else is there. Because the appointments were there and accordingly their services were regularized.
Place it by way of affidavit.
Now-
as
now,
suggested by the panel.
After
By
30, more than 30 years, they are saying that they do not know how we were appointed. Whether the authority, it was asked to authority or not, and whether the authority has said exactly that or not, that may be kept on record. So what my learned friend is referring, kindly that may be, an affidavit may be filed on that, my lord, that no record is there.
Okay, you file affidavit then.
Yes, my lord, yes.
No issue,
All right, parties are represented.
Yeah, appointment.
Parties are represented by the respective councils, and Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department submits that despite writing several times to the department, it appears that the records are not available. To stop such being the submission, let an affidavit filed by the department with respect to the records not being available within a period of 1 week,
Lordship, take 2 weeks. Lordship.
2 weeks.
My lord, oblige.
List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Ms. K. Pukham, Learned Standing Council. You are, sorry, Government Advocate appears for respondent number 3. Okay,
Item 10, Lordship, I pay for legal accommodation, Lordship. In this case, I am appearing on behalf of the Deoghar University, Lordship. Earlier, council was elevated to the bench, Lordship. So, Krishna is absent, otherwise also I am seeking the little accommodation, Lordship.
accommodation for what?
Lordship,
For preparation?
but
For-
I have gone through the file, Lordship.
Ah.
There was my fam, that voluminous record is there, I have not gone by. Today morning I have this.
No, that's what you want to prepare.
Lordship,
What is the issue regarding?
issue regarding, Lordship, termination of the petitioner, Lordship.
From
But-
LD,
LD.
LD assistant.
Lordship, examination, he was appointed in examination branch, Lordship.
Then why so much voluminous records for that?
Tell Lordship, 5 persons is there, Lordship, in that particular. Although here one.
Only one petitioner.
Petition is there, there are more, 3 petitions is there, one was infectious after the death of the petitioner. So I will place it, Lordship.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Counsel appears for the respondent university and submits that he has been recently engaged, and since the records are voluminous, he needs some time to prepare the matter. In view of above, list the matter after.
First week of November to by the time.
You want a date?
After 2 weeks or say, no, after 2 weeks.
Is the matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry?
Obliged.
Where's Mr. J. Abedin? None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called.
2 dates, your lordship, he is appearing non-appearance. So your lordship, last chance may be given, your lordship.
Speed asked Learned Standing Council, secondary, appears for the respondent's consent. For ends of justice, matter stands adjourned.
Five to nine. I'm appearing for 2, 3, and 4.
For 2 weeks.
Clear.
One more line, Ms. K. Phukan, London Government Advocate, appears for respondent number 1.
I'm DPO.
Okay.
Yeah, my lord, some documents is directed to be produced. Only crux of the matters that petitioner was a superintendent authority, that is means district project engineer. But allegation is that he has false completion report has been submitted. That is, by that way, he misappropriated some money. Now that documents, that whether he has submitted actually the completion report, that is the whole crux of the
Who is appearing for the other side?
my lord, B. Gogoi,
B. Gogoi and H. Barua had appeared.
SSS, Service.
SSA. So what completion work? Some contract work was done.
My lord, he was in a contractual engineer, district project engineers,
Hmm.
and there is an allegations that without completion of the construction work, he has submitted the completion. He cannot handle the money. Money comes to the SMC.
Hmm.
And his only duty is to supervise and send it that this work is completed. So allegation is that without completion, he has issued some completion reports. But
Completion report.
yes.
So any penalty imposed, any
It's
proceeding?
removed from service.
Or is removed from service?
Yes, but major penalty is awarded.
Removal from service.
Yes, no longer in.
What is he?
He
what-
is a district project engineer,
No, petitioner,
petitioner is.
district project engineer.
Yes, as Kachar.
Okay.
He was removed from service.
So they are supposed to give that certificate, isn't it?
But that documents is not available. Only just allegation. And my lord, when a case was filed, FIR was lost, that CD's case that he was before the lordship. At that point of
Any DP drawn?
DP
proceeding?
draw, DP draw.
DP was drawn.
Yes.
So during the DP, that
Nothing,
document was not there.
not there. And that is was a procedural irregularities we have brought that. And
Mr. Barua, are you saying that allegation against you that is that you had given work completion certificate,
yes,
on which basis money was given to the
in
contractor?
order to misappropriate some money, I have given.
You know, money was given to the contractor, but actually work was not completed.
Yes.
So DP was drawn and you are removed from service.
Yes.
But during the proceeding, they were not able to produce my certificate, your certificate.
Yes.
So on what basis you have removed me? That is what you have questioned,
Yes.
correct?
So, my lord, last.
So the records will be required.
Yes, last order, my lord, there is reflected, my lord, kindly see. So
Inquiry report is here.
inquiry report is there.
Is it not mentioned in the inquiry report?
No, my lord. So that is why, my lord, your lordship, last occasion, my lord, there is a direction, my lord. So others to decide this question, this should be here.
Yes.
We have received from the department, my lord.
You are Mr. H. Barua.
Yeah. Actually, he is appearing this matter, my lord.
Where is he?
He's on his way, my lord. But this instruction we have received from the SSA department. my lord.
What is the instruction?
My lord, may I produce before?
No, don't produce. You just tell me, you read and produce. See, department writes to you, not to the court. Why should we read your letters?
Affidavit may be given, a short affidavit.
No, my lord. Let Mr. B. Gogo appear this matter.
Definitely he'll appear, but you're holding some paper in your hand. What is that? Tell me. You do not have the original work completion certificate.
My lord, it was addressed to the Executive Director, SSA Assam, my lord. My production of the subject is my lord, production of the original certificate issued by District Project Engineer SSA Kachar, my lord.
Hmm.
Must
So?
be it is- Sir, it's on process.
So where is the original copy?
Well, let me file one affidavit in this regard. Some report has been given.
As per the last order, Mr. Gogoi, you were supposed to produce the original
Yes, yes.
work completion certificate
Right.
issued, purportedly issued by the petitioner.
Right.
Do you have it or not?
No, that part is not very clear. I got some communication. Not very clear. Can it be there after tomorrow, my lord? At least I am not prepared for this case. On this point, my lord, as well as on the merits also, I will, my lord, make myself.
No, definitely we'll accommodate you. But what kind of instructions have you received?
So this is a communication of 2023.
23. The order was passed on 28/8/2025
That's why.
to produce the record. And why you're holding 2023 document?
It's not that document, that's why.
According to the petitioner, it appears that he was removed from service.
Right.
Why? Because he gave some false completion certificate,
Right.
on which basis the contractor took the money. But he says that that certificate is nowhere to be seen during the department proceeding. So on what basis you have removed me?
That's it.
This is what they have questioned. So not only that certificate, what about the proceedings drawn? You weren't to get the records itself.
No, the so far as the proceeding part is
Mm.
concerned, the petitioner here is an employee of the service officer.
Mm.
They are not a regular employee like that of the state government.
Okay.
So strictly, my lord, that Assam Service Discipline and Ethics rules, that procedure, rule number 9, my lord, whatever is there,
No,
that
no,
is not followed.
no, it's okay.
The
Procedure,
suppose and mandate, whatever evidence is there, my lord. according to
procedure is one part, but what kind of proceeding did you,
the
did you?
spirit of that particular rule was followed. We have
Okay,
explained it.
that is why, whatever you have done,
Yes.
what spirit you have applied, you produce that.
Then
There must
I-
be something,
Yes,
isn't
yes,
it?
Of course, my lord, regarding that evidence part and all, everything. will be
some communication, some notice, some evidence will be there.
there.
So whatever it may be, you produce that in original,
That I can produce, my lord. So
so
that
that
our
we
report
can-
is concerned.
and along with this,
In fact, my lord.
work
the
completion
23
also, you give us.
My lord, 23 itself, my lord, the executive director has, my lord, informed that, my lord, they have communicated to in the records. But even then, my lord, there is a fresh order of the honorable court, we will give a reminder again. And lord, she will give me some time, at least 3 weeks time in that.
See, reminder means like letter goes, comes back,
Yes,
you take it up with them
definitely, my lord.
directly, you call them.
I will convey.
What is happening here? Court
Yes.
wants it. If you have it, produce it. If you don't have, tell me.
My lord,
Then accordingly we'll proceed.
my lord.
Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, SSA, submits that he requires some more time to obtain the original work completion certificate said to have been issued by the petitioner, as was recorded on 28/8/2025. Stop. As paid for, further 2 weeks' time is granted. Mr. B. Gogoi shall also produce the original records of the proceeding drawn against the petitioner by the next date,
Right.
along with the original work completion certificate. List the matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Well, okay.
Obligation.
For the time being, my senior is at foot one, some another.
Who's your senior?
Mr. NNB Chaudhary.
NNB Chaudhary.
He'll be here in a while.
He's a busy man. Last time also it said he's on legs in some other court, so adjourned. So today also he's on legs. What is the matter otherwise?
It's for the provincialization of the teacher. Actually, the thing is that they made a committee, Your Honor, headed by the VC of the Dibrugarh University to scrutinize my degree, my PhD degree, which I obtained from Magad University, Bodh Gaya. The PhD degree which I obtained was scrutinized by a committee, not a commission. There is a huge difference between a committee and a commission, Your Honor. They should have constituted a commission which would have inquired about my PhD degree because it relates to the UGC. When the UGC is a central body, the state government has always, it is a rule framed under the Commissions of the Inquiry Act. The section 3 and 4 of the Commissions of the Inquiry Act, power of a commission and constitution of a commission. When they wanted to inquire about my PhD degree, they should have committed a commission to inquire about my PhD degree, not a committee headed by the VC of the Dibrugarh University. And then, Your Honor, they said that I had there is some malpractices and I have obtained my degree not accordance with the guidelines of the UGC. Even though there were prominent documents in my additional affidavits, and they have also relied, Your Honor, because there was a notification by my university that the rules, 2009 rules of the UGC were adopted by the university on 2014. I being a Dean University, Magad University being a Dean University can implement rules accordingly whenever they may like to implement. And I got my PhD degree prior to 2014. There is another thing, Your Honor. They said that there is I did not give entrance exam. That also clarification is there. When I am working as a teacher, as a tutor in a government institution for more than 3 years, I'm not required to submit any pre-registration coursework, Your Honor. Like that, they have put my degree in question. Till now, UGC has never questioned about my degree, not even revoked my PhD degree. But they have a point that I have not obtained it in accordance with the rules of the UGC.
UGC is
for-
a party here? UGC is a party?
No, Your Honor.
Not a,
Logically, also, UGC is not a party here, which is required to be rated as a party in this case.
but are there any documents which clears your
Yes, Your Honor, there are
Stand-
documents, Your Honor. If may
documents from UGC?
Yes, Your Honor.
which
There
says
is a
that,
notification from the UGC, Your Honor.
Okay, what are you?
I am the petitioner, Your Honor. I am the um, tutor. I joined in
Tutor,
assistant
where?
professor in Sonatoli Anchalik College, Motolia, Kamrup Rural. I joined the service in 1999 and I obtained my PhD degree in 2013, Your Honor.
No, what you said? Tutor,
Tutor, no, I am serving as an assistant professor. Your-
assistant professor in a college
Yes, Your Honor, in Sonatoli Anchalik College, Your Honor.
under the Dibrugarh University.
Not under the Dibrugarh University. It is under
The college is affiliated to which university? Where you appointed?
Anchalik College. This Your Honor, under the
All colleges are affiliated to this or that university. Cannot be a standalone college like that.
no, I think this is a junior secondary college only till 12th.
12th,
Yes, Your Honor. Till 12 it has
It's-
so
it's called
secondary
a-
education.
huh? Secondary education. Do you?
Director of Higher Education Assam.
Teachers of secondary education are called assistant professor?
Direct.
No, teachers of a +2 college, +2 schools. It's a secondary school. They're not called assistant professor. Assistant professor don't teach class 12.
This Your Honor, the direct.
Hmm? Sontali Anchalik College. Matoli. What is the course offered by this college? You are an history professor,
I'm a history professor, Your Honor.
assistant
Lecturer.
professor.
Assistant professor.
How is the nomenclature given nowadays? It's the entry level post is what? Assistant
No,
lecturer.
I am in the place of the post of tutor assistant professor, Your Honor. I was working as a tutor. If you go to page number 8, Your Honor, point number 5, petitioner begs to state that by order number Iman dated 14/5/2022 issued by the Director of Higher Education Assam, the service of the petitioner was provincialized and he was placed in the post of tutor assistant professor, which caused him great prejudice. Be it stated that the petitioner has requisite qualification and experience to meet the criteria for holding a post of assistant professor. However, for the reason unknown, the respondent authorities have not considered the petitioner for holding the post of assistant professor in Sonatoli Anchalik College, Matholia, Kamrup Rural, for which the petitioner is eligible and rightly entitled. Annexure number 7, Your Honor. Page number 8, para number 5, Your Honor.
Your initial appointment is in the year 1999.
Yes, Your Honor.
Assistant professor. what is the issue now in your case?
I
What?
am not being appointed as an assistant. Now I am serving as a tutor assistant professor. So I should be promoted to the post of assistant professor, Your Lordship, because I have this PhD degree and all other criterias which needed to be fulfilled to be appointed to the.
No, see, don't confuse the code like that. You say you're appointed as assistant professor. Now you say that I should be promoted from tutor to assistant professor.
No, Your Honor.
You're already appointed, then how can
I am
you say that I
appointed
should
to
be
the post of tutor assistant professor, Your Honor, not assistant professor.
tutor assistant professor? What is the difference? Tutor assistant professor on one hand and assistant professor on the other hand. What is the difference?
Assistant professor in the hierarchy of posts, Your Honor, the assistant professor holds a higher post
Higher.
and tutor is the lower post, Your Honor.
But tutor, along with tutor, assistant professor is attached. Nomenclature.
Nomenclature is like that, but the schedule of the hierarchy is that after serving of some amount of time from the tutor assistant professor, my post is being provincialized to the post of assistant professor, Your Honor, which is a higher post than mine. The pay grade is different and other benefits are also different of
This
that.
is a provincialized college.
Yes, Your Honor, provincialized college. The college was provincialized in.
So that's why I was asking you about the hierarchy of the teachers in the college. What are those? First of all, you are tutor.
It was provincialized in 1/1/2013. When
Okay.
I joined as a tutor assistant professor, Your Honor. After that, I needed to be upgraded to the post of assistant professor, which is higher than my post.
And after assistant professor, what is next?
That I'm not aware.
Professor. Senior professor.
Professor.
By virtue of having the PhD degree, you're
Yes.
saying that you should be appointed
Yeah, I should be appointed as
as
assistant professor as
from which date?
from the date of my regularization, Your Honor. Regularization. From the date of me obtaining the PhD degree, Your Honor, the month of September 2013. When I obtained the PhD degree.
That is
after
not your
that-
prayer. You want it from 2015, not September 2013. See your prayer at page 12.
With effect from 2015.
Hmm. You are taking names of 2-3 names. Anwar Hussain, Idris Ali, they are getting higher pay. I should also get similarly from 2015.
These two persons also obtained the degree from the same university, Your Honor. That
Maybe.
to prior post of assistant professor from the same university, same degree, but different departments, Your Honor. There may be some social science and another one English. Their PhD degrees were never questioned. The portions of the time when I was pursuing the PhD degree and they were pursuing the PhD degree were almost similar. The university who has granted the PhD degree to other professors, other tutor assistant professor who got the promotion to the assistant professor were also from that Magad University. And moreover, Your Honor, UGC never has revoked my degree. And in Section 21 of the General Clauses Act, it has clearly been stated with the power to confer degree also comes the power to take back that degree. Also mentioned in the case of Madhuri Borthakur, Your Honor, by this honorable court, it is stated over there, Your Honor, that only the issuing authority can revoke my PhD and question. Moreover, there is another question. They making a committee to inquire my degree, which has been provided by the.
Okay, any document decision you are challenging here? You are talking about a committee. It should be commission, not committee. Committee has made any recommendation against you? Against your interest?
Yes, Your Honor. The genuinity they have in page number 37, Your Honor.
Where?
Point number 5.
37 is the counter affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor.
No, you're challenging counter affidavit. What is the thing that you're challenging in your writ petition?
they questioning my genuinity of my degree,
By
that
which document?
my PhD degree, Your Honor.
By which document?
By the by the report of the screening committee. Your
Where is
Honor.
that? You're not prepared. We'll wait for your senior then.
Yes, Your Honor. Kindly
come.
for the time being, Your Honor.
Time being. Mr. Gogoi, otherwise you ready? Okay.
Otherwise, for deciding the issue, this is the necessary part to us. Otherwise, from our side, we are ready. We are not ready. So,
Next, please. Who's appearing for the other side? SB Laskar. Where is he? Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, okay.
When?
Uh,
9 February.
thank you.
Of which year? 24.
24.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Ms. Escobar, Lynette,
Standing counsel.
SC Elementary is otherwise present. Friends of Justice list matter of 2 weeks. On a date to the fixed by register.
Your Lordship, Senior Counsel K. N. Chaudhary will appear the matter. May the matter be taken up after some time as he's not in the room right now.
Who's for the, you're there for the other side. What is the matter?
Your Lordship, apologies, I'm not fully prepared to.
But tell me, what is the facts?
Uh,
What kind of matter is this?
Your Lordship, the matter is about regularization of posts as assistant professors. They are in a contractual basis in different provincialized colleges here in Assam.
Contractual professors,
Right.
lecturers,
Your Lordship,
contractual lecturers,
assistant professors.
assistant professors. They are seek for regularization.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah. How many of them are there? This is pertains to higher education, or what?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh? Mr. Gogoi, you are for the which respondent?
for the
Higher education.
Yes.
You have filed a counter affidavit.
we have filed.
You have filed. Okay, so time being there.
Oh, one and.
Highly obliged.
If you are ready, we'll pass it over the time being.
Highly obliged.
But we cannot wait whole day. Mr. Counsel. There is only one more matter left now.
May I be lordships?
Yes.
This is your Lordship. Here, your Lordship, IS Nagaon, your Lordship has to give one, your Lordship instruction pertaining to that vacant post, whether new fresh advertisement will take place or place it or not. But your Lordship, he is not the concerned authority. So we have to wrote later to DSC, the Director of Secondary Education. She will be the competent authority. So pertaining to that instruction awaited, I am not able to file the additional affidavit. Already one affidavit has filed, your Lordship, pertaining to that vacant post, the instruction shall be given your Lordship to take it, your Lordship. So I am not able to file the additional affidavit because of that instruction, your Lordship. I'm not able to receive it, your
No.
Lordship.
Why additional affidavit is required?
That
I don't
vacant
think will.
Lordship, of earlier
Two
occasion,
postmen, what happened in this case, Miller? Two
Five-
post
five-
advertisement.
five-
One post is already appointed and first post.
What post is that?
Grade 4, Miller.
Grade 4
four.
post.
Grade 4 post
Huh.
in a higher secondary. Miller. A petitioner selected and he awarded marks with 82.75
Mm.
and one of the second candidate, he got the mark 81.5 Miller. He has appointed Miller as per court order Miller. A petitioner approached this honorable court on the ground of Miller. Petitioner earlier litigation Miller, he was the respondent Miller.
petitioner was the respondent, my lord. Subsequently, this honorable court directed the respondent authority to appoint this petitioner Mustaq Ahmed, my lord. Accordingly, he was appointed, my lord. Appointment order is page 44, kindly see. Issue is simple, my lord.
Issue is simple, but I'm not being able to understand what you're saying.
Page 44, kindly see.
Page 44.
Yes. One Mustaq Ahmed. He is a selected candidate, selection number 2, my lord.
Who filed the writ petition? Mustaq Ahmed.
Yes, yes. Earlier, Mustaq Ahmed filed writ petition, and on the basis of the honorable.
What challenging what?
Challenging my lord, his post may be regularized, because he was appointed as a honorary basis, my lord.
Okay. Then,
During the course of the hearing, my lord,
uh,
respondent authority provided the documents with regard to the selection process, my lord. After going through the records, my lord, and the court observed that the selection process already had over, my lord, and accordingly directed the respondent authority to appoint the Mustaq Ahmed, my lord.
One, your lordship, petitioner named Abul Qasim Faraji, your lordship.
No, he's not petitioner. He's the petitioner, is another.
So,
anyway, you want to file additional affidavit? Let them file. How much time?
3 weeks time maybe.
A short date may be given.
That's
Two
right.
months,
3 weeks time. is
2
granted.
weeks, my lord. She is agree.
Oh.
3 weeks.
oh, oh, oh.
Instruction point now.
6 weeks time is granted. Ms. P. Das file additional affidavit. Additional counter affidavit.
Two.
As paid for. List again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the minister.
A date may be fixed. Otherwise,
They'll fix a date. After 3 weeks, they'll definitely give a date. Don't worry. You're there? You're for item 13?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're Mr.?
K. Kashyap. A
You'll
date may
be
fixed.
appearing.
A date may be fixed, Your Honor.
Date will not be fixed. We'll adjourn it for 2 weeks.
Obliged, much obliged. Your Honor.
Mr. NNB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner on a permit on his behalf. List the matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the district. Mr. K. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, higher education, is present. 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
We have no difficulties. Otherwise, today we are,
Some short accommodation will be.
we have no difficulties.
Next.
Be taken after Diwali vacation, madam. They need it next week, madam.
Mr. K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioners, is said to be on legs in a different court on a parade on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. List the matter. Again
23.
after
Was it after
3 weeks.
first week of November was it?
After 3 weeks.
No, my date may fix, madam.
We're not fixing a date. Today is the date. They said again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Mr. K. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, higher education. Anybody else is present?
Finance is there.
But nobody is there.
Lost. Obliged.
Hello.